Hi, this is Dr. Tonya Cole, and we're talking about products to use on the skin during radiation. Today, we're talking about Remedy Skin Repair Cream. Remedy Cream should be used 3 times a day, right after radiation treatment, continue 7 days a week. It is more like a skin cream lotion. As you can see, it comes out kind of lotion like consistency. It has a soft scent. It's hypoallergenic. It doesn't leave a greasy residue on the skin. You can't get it over the counter. As far as I know right now, you can order it online.